In this video, we're going to be talking about the label in Moodle. If you like organization, this video is for you. The label enables text and multimedia to be inserted into the course page in between links to other resources and activities. Labels are very versatile and can help to improve the appearance of the course if used thoughtfully. Common uses include splitting up a long list of activities with subheadings or an image, displaying or embedding a sound file or video directly on the course page, or adding a short description to a course section. These are just a few ways that you can use labels to help organize your course. To add a label, begin by turning your editing on. Scroll down to add an activity or resource. On the list of options, go to Resources and select Label. Click Add. The text editor box will appear on your screen. To begin with, I would expand the text editor menu options to include many of the common word processing tools that you use when creating documents. These include things like bold, italics, underline, hyperlink, add picture, all of the usual things that you see. I'm going to type in my first heading, Basketball Part 1. If I highlight the text, I can adjust many things using my menu. In this case, I'm going to change it to heading 3. Once I'm done, I'm going to go to Save and Return to Course. If I scroll down on my course page, I'll be able to see that my label has now appeared. By clicking on the vertical arrow, I can drag it to wherever I'd like on the page. This allows me to separate the document that is embedded above with the links that are below. Let's add another label. In this case, I'm going to make my second label Basketball Part 2. Again, I'm going to select heading size 3. Save and return to course. If I scroll down, I can see that new label at the bottom and bring it up to where I'd like it on the page. This allows the student to visually see where Part 1 begins and where Part 2 starts, separating the different links and resources on the course page. Now let's try adding a video. Select Label, Add. Once your text editor box appears, you're going to select the HTML source code at the top right of your editor box. Paste in the embed code that you got from the YouTube. You can see that the video appears in the editor. Save and return to course. Users will then be able to hit the play button and view the video directly on the page. They can also pause it if they'd like. Just like with a text label, you're also able to move this up and down on the page. This is how you embed a video using the label activity. You can also edit a label once it's been put into the page. By selecting the word Edit next to your label, going to Edit Settings, you can make changes. In this case, the label was originally a heading size 3. Let's make it heading size 1. Select Save and Return to Course. You can now see that this label is bigger than the Basketball Part 1. You can indent a label to the right or to the left. You can hide it so that it's only visible to you and not students. You can also duplicate the label. This is nice if you'd like to have several common labels used throughout your page. You don't have to recreate every one, you can just put them in and then duplicate them. Finally, you can delete a label. These are just a few ways that the label can be used to organize a course and the content on a course page.